So now I've knit the 6 rounds of my brim, and it's nice and stretchy, lovely stretchy rib there, and I'm about to begin the body of the hat, and that is worked in stocking stitch, which just means every round is all knit stitches. So we just knit, knit, knit every single round until the body of our hat reaches a total of 16 centimeters as measured from the cast on. So once we've reached 16 centimeters as measured from here, then we will start the crown decreases. So I'll be back with you in just a moment. And so I've knit the body of my hat. I'm just about to get to the end of my round, and it should measure 16 centimeters. How did you go with yours? I've slipped my stitch marker across. Let's give it a quick measure. And it's 16 centimeters, we can see there. So now I'm ready to start the shaping for the top. So how did you go with the body of your hat? Just knitting in the round, which makes stocking stitch when you're knitting in the round and all rounds are knit. Now let's move on to shaping the top of the hat.